Do you want to sound natural when talking about your day in English? Not too fast, not too complicated, just real English that people actually use. In today's lesson, you will practice full sentences, daily routine stories, and shadowing from morning to afternoon to night. Stay with me until the end, and you will be able to describe your entire day clearly and confidently. Let's begin. First of all, let me explain what shadowing means. Shadowing is a simple but powerful way to practice English. You listen to a sentence and repeat it immediately, copying the sounds, rhythm, and speed of the speaker. For example, if I say, "I wake up at 7 a.m., you repeat after me as naturally as you can. Shadowing helps you think in English, improve your pronunciation, and speak more fluently. Try shadowing every sentence in this video. Don't worry about mistakes. Just listen, repeat, and enjoy learning. Let's jump in. I wake up at around 7 a.m. I stretch my body and sit up in bed. I check my phone for a minute, but not too long. I go to the bathroom and wash my face. I brush my teeth slowly and carefully. I take a quick shower to wake myself up. I make a simple breakfast, usually tea, eggs, or bread. I get dressed and choose comfortable clothes for the day. I leave home and start my day feeling calm. I start my work and focus on my tasks. I talk to coworkers or classmates during the day. I try to stay positive and productive. I take a break and eat lunch around 1 p.m. I drink water and relax for a few minutes. I continue working or studying until late afternoon. Sometimes I feel tired, so I take a short rest. I finish my day and go back home. I change into comfortable clothes. I eat dinner with my family or by myself. I watch something relaxing or scroll on my phone. I clean my room a little to keep things tidy. I brush my teeth and wash my face before bed. I turn off the lights and sleep around 10 or 11 p.m. I wake up at around 7 a.m. I stretch, check my phone, and go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth, wash my face, and take a shower. Then I make breakfast, get dressed, and leave home. In the afternoon, I work or study. I talk to people, eat lunch, and stay productive. Sometimes I feel tired, so I take a short break. At night, I go home, eat dinner, and relax. I clean up a little, prepare for the next day, and go to bed around 10 or 11 p.m. Now it's your turn. Describe your own day using the sentences we practiced. Start with, I wake up at, and continue until night. Train every day and your English will get smoother and more natural. Great job today. If you want more real English practice, daily stories, and shadowing lessons, subscribe and turn on notifications. See you in the next episode.